given temperature. So this is a saturated solution now. Now what is meant by unsaturated solution? Initially it was unsaturated because I was able to dissolve more solute into the solvent at the given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. So that was unsaturated. So unsaturated solutions are those solutions in which more solute can dissolve in the given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. Then the solution is called unsaturated. The third category is supersaturated solution, which is not in the syllabus, so I am not going to discuss that part now. You will study about this in higher classes. Fourth is based on physical state of solute and solvent. Mixture can be categorized into 9 categories. Based on state of solute and solvent. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. That means even the solute can be solid, liquid and gas, and solvent can also be solid, liquid and gas. So we can have mixture of solid in liquid. We can have mixture of, for example, solid in solid, for example alloys. Solid in liquid, say for example common salt in water. Solid in gas, for example dust particle in air. Liquid in liquid, there are many examples of liquid in liquid: ink in water. Liquid in solid, for example jelly. Liquid in gas, as water vapors are present in air, water droplets are present in air. Gas in solid, say for example hydrogen gas and palladium. Gas in liquid as soda water or aerated drinks. Gas in gas, example is air. So there are 9 categories depending upon the physical state of solute and solvent. The mixture can be classified. The last one is size of solute particles. Depending upon size of solute particles, the mixture can be classified as true solution, colloidal solution and suspension, about which I will show you a small video.